All right, so in today's video, I am very, very excited and proud to finally introduce you to QUIVR Rogue. This is my pH neutral, insanely high foaming, long dwell time, premium surfactant car wash soap that works in your foam cannon or bucket. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys about this and why I created it. All right, so first off, when creating Rogue, I really wanted two things. High foaming ability, that was kind of like my number one thing. I love foam, obviously I have the QUIVR foam cannon. I wanted really, really high foam concentrate so that you don't have to use a ton to get that foam quality. Number two is I wanted it to be direct sun friendly. Now, you still want to use all the normal precautions. If you're using regular water, don't wash on a hot panel. Wash out of the direct sunlight if you can, but me as a professional mobile detailer for the past 20 years, I'm always in situations where it's not the best scenario, and I'm constantly washing in direct sunlight. So I needed it to work for my needs based on my business and the performance that I want out of it. So again, I am not a chemist by any means. I'm a professional detailer and I want a product that works for my specific needs that I think is gonna work for your needs as well. Again, as a mobile detailer, you're not in the best situation, so you need something that's gonna work across all platforms, right? So that's exactly what this is. I worked with a bunch of chemists to develop this product, and I couldn't be happier with it. So first things first, let's go ahead and talk about my process. I started off with the base soap. I told them what I wanted and started getting the products. Started using them. Foam was decent. I told them up the foam production. Foam got way better, and then it wouldn't dwell on the surface. It would foam on really thick and then just kind of fall off, and I didn't feel like it was giving me the cleaning ability that I wanted. So then I said to them, hey, can you increase the dwell time of this product? And guys, I have to tell you, it's insane, the dwell time, even on a ceramic coated car. I'm gonna show you on my Porsche Cayman back here. This is ceramic coated, and even with a low amount of dilution into your foam cannon, you can get this to cling to the surface and it stays for a significant amount of time. Now, as far as the direct sun thing, they kind of knocked that out of the park right away. When we first started switching over to longer dwell time, I would see a little bit of stuff on the surface. So again, we reworked it until we finally got it to where I wanted it. Once we got there, the consistency of the product was too thick. I didn't want a crazy thick product. This isn't like insanely thin. It's not complete liquid, but it's quite runny. It's not bad at all. Whoops. It's, yeah, even more so than it started pouring out. So it's very easy to fill your foam cannon, bottles, whatever. Again, dilution ratios on this product are incredible. I'm gonna show you 1 ounce, just 1 ounce in a foam cannon and the foaming ability that you can get from this thing. So let's go and check that out. Now again, guys, this car is ceramic coated. Please keep that in mind. Many other soaps that you may use on a ceramic coated vehicle, you'll see it start to break up on the surface pretty much right away because the ceramic coating is doing a good job of kind of rejecting everything. This, because it's almost like a, I don't know the proper term for it honestly, but I want to say like a 2-stage surfactant process. The high foaming ability is step one, and the secondary layer, when I rinse it, and I'll show you this, you start pushing it away, it has a secondary layer under the base, and that's what's clinging to the surface and giving you this incredible dwell time. So you have a long working time with it. And the other thing is when you go in for your bucket wash, it is extremely slick under the surface. Very nice. Scent-wise, I went with a pina colada scent. For me, from my youth growing up, it smells like a Slurpee, a pina colada Slurpee to me, and it takes me back to my youth in the summer. I absolutely love it. It's a nice tropical scent, very friendly and easy. It's not overbearing, but smells fantastic. Really quick, guys, I just want to show you something. I just finished filming the video. I washed the car, filmed the video. I want to show you my wash bucket right now, just to show you the dwell time even in a bucket. All right, guys, so this has been a good 45 minutes, and look at the suds still in this stuff. So very lubricated in my hand now. Obviously you want to get a little more lubrication in there, but look at the soap production in the bucket. Now, because of all of these things, I went into building this product with the chemist, just telling them exactly what I wanted. Again, we went back and forth, and then when we finally got into the final process of here it is, it came out to be more expensive than I initially wanted, to be perfectly honest. I wanted to create something super cheap that worked for everyone, that works really well. I couldn't get to a level of performance that I wanted out of this without going to those premium surfactants to get it to work the way it does. So with that said, let's go ahead and talk about pricing really quickly. When we go into the 32 ounce size, it's coming in at a price of $29.99, which when you look at the actual use per case, it's actually a great value. 1 ounce gets the job done. Same thing, 1 ounce in a bucket. But I'm also gonna show you half an ounce. on my ceramic coated vehicle here, you still get a great amount of foam. What I've found is when you go to 1/2 ounce, you lose a little bit of dwell time, at least on a ceramic coated vehicle. If the vehicle is not ceramic coated, it's still really, really good. It's just not, at 1 ounce, it's insane. But if you want to stretch this and get the most out of it, you can go to 1/2 ounce and still get good foaming ability, especially when you're using the QUIVR foam cannon. It's paired up with this stuff very, very well. Now on the directions, I actually state 1 to 4 ounces because depending on what pressure washer and what foam cannon setup you're using. So just to be safe, 1 to 4 ounces. But again, for me, I'm using it in 2 ways, either 1/2 ounce or 1 ounce. Now I also offer it in a gallon size, and if you do want to go this route, $74.99, so it does drop your price per ounce significantly. So your price per use case, again, gets extremely, extremely affordable. Especially when you compare it to the performance of others. It's incredible. To be perfectly honest, I really wish I could come out with this product at about a $20 price point, but the raw ingredients in this product were, like I said, they were higher than I expected. But then when I started doing the math and looking at the price per use, the quality of the soap, how well it works, even at lifting dirt. It's pH neutral, guys, completely pH neutral, but still does a fantastic job of cleaning. So I use it, as my pre-foam, foam it on, unless it's heavily, heavily soiled. It's not gonna start breaking up bird droppings and things like that. It's pH neutral, right? So you have to keep that in mind, but it still does a phenomenal job of lifting dirt. Again, the slickness is incredible. Again, tons and tons of foam, tons of dwell time, so you can really work with this product. And again, price per use is really cheap. And that's really where I wanted to go with this product. I wanted to create, again, with my YouTube channel, with everything I do, I try and create as much value as I possibly can. Again, the price per bottle is higher than I initially wanted, but the price per use is where I wanted it to be. And it really kind of exceeds what I thought I could achieve from a soap. I don't want to say I, because I'm not a chemist. I didn't develop this personally, right? So we, in the terms of the chemist, myself, with the feedback that I gave them, but I couldn't be happier with how this turned out. I'm really excited for you guys to be able to get your hands on it. It's gonna be available right now on the House of Rags. Again, they're distributing everything for me. I have some limited quantity, but more coming on my personal site, dtlrsupply.com. If you're shopping on the House of Rags, check out QUIVR, which is my brand. I have my QUIVR Hot Coat Ceramic Detail Spray. Stuff is unbelievable. I stand behind that 100%. That stuff is, it's all I use in my detail business as my quick detailer. I don't really use that as a rinsing aid, but it works really, really well for that as well. It's a fantastic product, adds a ton of protection, really, really easy to use, even in direct sunlight. And then also check out the foam cannon. If you use code IMJOSHV on the House of Rags, you get 10% off site-wide, so whatever else you want to pick up there as well, it's available. Again, I will have more and more of this on my site also. So depending on where you are in the country, it may make more sense to order from them, it may make more sense to order from me, just depending on where you are for shipping rates and things like that. But that is it, guys. I just wanted to introduce you to this product because I am extremely proud of it, how it turned out, and I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it. So that is it for today's video. I hope that helps you guys. Make sure to check it out, but I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you guys on the next one.